Hi, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. We're going to show everybody today some new improvements we've made to the open pore wood packages, or the upgrade packages for the Model 3. Check out these great new additions. Not only have we found a better match for the open pore wood for the center console, we've also installed it on the steering wheel and over here on the door switches. And this is a sneak preview of our brand new, fully rubberized, all-weather floor mats coming out, and this is Tesla Praline. Everything is a great complement and a match to the open pore wood dashboard. You'll see the center console inside. We have the matching 3 logo, and we have a newer beige, better matching material to go with the dashboard. This is now shipping as of January 9th from RPM Tesla. But just look at how nice all this looks standing back, showing all the wood off, the beautiful open pore wood, matching door switches. You can still make out all the lights, looking right through the holes at night. And again, same thing on the steering wheel accents. Beautiful matching wood for the open pore. And these floor mats should be shipping by August. And they're a great nylon 6.6 material. Just take them out, wash them down, water beads up. They're all weather, multi-purpose, made out of expensive carpet, made in California. And again, thanks again, RPM Tesla open pore wood interior package. We're gonna have discount pricing on all 3 items if you're interested in the steering wheel accents, the center console, and the door switches. Okay, I wanted to do a little video to show a comparison of lighting on a typical cloudy day. So here is the dashboard, and here is the beautiful match from RPM Tesla. Try to lock the aperture down. Now there is more light typically on the dashboard because of the direct sunlight, but we think that if customers want an exact match, this is as good as it's gonna get. This is a beautiful match. It doesn't have any difference in tone or color. The pattern has the same textured feel of the open pore wood. And of course we give you the Tesla Model E decal that you put on yourself. Thanks again for checking it out. And again, Generation 2 center console display, along with interior packages for the steering wheel, door switches, and we're going to offer this at a great discounted rate. So if you love the open pore wood look, we think you're really going to love this beautiful protection vinyl textured architectural film that is a great match.